Hey guys, today's video is all about the Super Bowl, so let's go!
This is the Learning Paradise, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning Paradise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. A is for art.
Hey guys! I'm Taryn.
And I'm Lauren.
And together we're the Learning Paradise. Today we're learning all about the Super Bowl. And today we're going to do an amazing art craft with foam fingers. So, to start off, what is the Super Bowl? Super Bowl is a challenge of football games where football teams go against each other. Whoever wins the Super Bowl gets a big trophy. And they also get rings.
And this time, the Chiefs and the 49ers are going against each other. Kansas City and San Francisco.
And this is the 58th Super Bowl in America. So we're going to make a foam finger for our favorite teams. To start off, the materials you need is foam of the color that you're rooting for.
You need pencils,
Scissors.
paint pens,
We're using paint pens. You could also use paint if you don't have paint pens. We're using Posca paint pens and Tombow paint pens.
and you can also get a printable.
We got our printable from Iowa State University, but we enlarged ours and had to trace it over. That way it could fit our giant foam. You also need a hot glue gun. Make sure that you ask your parent before using it. And our hot glue gun has a low setting, so it's easier and we don't burn our fingers. So let's get started.
You have to trace around. Taryn, what time is it?
It's game time, you.
It's 12:44 p.m.
That was Siri. Okay, so we're going to need another sheet of foam for this, so your yellow. Because once we are done cutting our front out, we also need a back.
We both did different things, and I'm tracing mine again, and she is connecting hers together with a
Giant paper clip.
giant paper clip.
Okay, let's cut.
Okay guys, so I am done with my first finger. Off to the next one. Oh, this is giving my hands a big cramp.
And I'm done with both of my fingers.
Yeah, okay. You're done with both of your fingers. You don't have to be a show off.
So, we have both fingers, they're both even. So, I'd say this method worked out pretty good.
Or did it? Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
Wait. You have to wait for me.
Okay. Let's just put this on speed button as we wait for the tortoise.
You're like Speedy Gonzalez.
I'm the hare, obviously. Did you not hear my reference to the tortoise and the hare?
Oh yeah, you are like the hare because you never win.
I always win. I beat you in that football showdown, so, you know. Okay guys, so now that we're pretty much finished, we're going to take our paint markers. I'm using a yellow Posca pen. Lauren's going to be using a Tombow paint pen. These are almost like watercolor. These are like paint. And I traced my fingers just a little bit to enough where I can see it right now. So that is what I'm going to be tracing. And I'm going to do a borderline around my finger before I do the tracing of the finger.
Careful when you're using these markers that I'm using, because once you if that gets up there and you touch the paper, it can smear. So be careful.
Now that I did my border. It's still a little wet, which is what? It didn't fall on the floor face flat, so no paint is on the floor. Don't worry, everybody. I got everything under control. Okay, I'm back. So now I have to start tracing my fingers.
Okay guys, so these type of pens, once you use them for a little while, the paint starts to get a little dry. Good thing this is not a good table. Okay, so I am tracing my fingers now. And you do not trace the back of your fingers. Oh, your hand. You do not trace the back of your hand. Wow, these markers are very messy.
Gotta make sure they're dry.
What happened?
That's it before you use these markers. Make sure the paint is dry.
Okay, so you have to leave a space down here for your your hand to go in there so that you can hold it up. So you do not put glue at the bottom. I repeat, you do not put glue at the bottom. You see that? The bottom. Do not put glue down there.
Okay, so here's how we're gonna glue it. First, you take away your face. Make sure the paint isn't touching the table or your elbow.
That was one time. And then you're just gonna glue around the sides.
You know, I had a dream last night that I was at a football game and I got some nachos, some lemonade, and some cotton candy. That cotton candy tasted good.
I am done.
Beautiful. We now have a new pink pattern on our table. Courtesy of Lauren.
Number one. Go Kansas City. Go Kansas City.
Hey,
Woo!
I thought I was Kansas City.
No.
Yes, I am.
Go Kansas.
We're number one. We're number one. I'm number one. I'm number one. This girl right here, she's number one. Kansas City Chiefs.
Kansas City Chiefs.
Hey,
Kansas City
hey.
Chiefs.
I was Kansas City. What are you? I was Kansas City.
No, I love. Why are we even fighting? They have the same colors.
Oh, we love you, Kansas City.
Kansas City! Kansas City! Okay, guys. We hope that you had so much fun making your own foam fingers. And whenever you go to the Super Bowl, make sure you bring this. Go team! Go team! Go team! Go team!
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye! Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.